So somebody recently asked me what was my favorite accessory. Well, I don't know that I have just one, but my one favorite that I'm using lately a lot of is the cube. Thank you, Paul. This is amazing. This is so good for the neck and even these front muscles. These get so tight from just sitting at the computer all day and working all day that I will put the cube right here all the way up to my chin and lay on it moving forward so that you can get deep into these muscles when you crank it up. I know everybody always wants a neck accessory, how to get the best results for your neck. I lay on it so that it's right all the way up to the point of my skull, and my neck hangs back onto it, and it's amazing. It really gets into the neck excellent. So people often ask me how often I pulse. I use Pulse PMF equipment every day. Unless I'm traveling and can't get to it, I use it every day. Most of the time, I will spend some time in the morning sitting on either like using the cube or using the square pad and putting it on my back or my torso. I think it's always so important to energize the digestive system. I really enjoy sleeping actually at 7.8, either using the cube, a square pad, or a flat bed. I will sleep on that for sometimes a couple days in a row if my nervous system is just a little hectic. So it helps me really calm down. And I love 7.8. That's like my thing. I love 7.8, but I also, for waking up maybe, I will use like 2.5, 3.0 on my brain. I charge my head a lot, and I charge my gut a lot. I love it. How could you not?